kitty boy. Got her all loaded up.
Hey, let me see that. If you don't like playing in dirt, go fuck yourself. Woo!
Alright guys, it's 5 in the morning. Let's get to the hustle. We've got a big day ahead of us here. So today we're going to do a couple driveways that we got to do. And then we got to finish up a retaining wall. And then after we're done with that, we got to move some of our equipment out to a different job site. But yeah, going to get hooked up to the dump trailer here. Cat the Mini out to the crushed asphalt pile so we can load her up. Got the kitty cat. Nothing better than getting an early start. Got the old Ford there. Needs a trainee. Poor old girl. But yeah, I'm gonna hop in the truck, get the trailer hooked up, we'll get this party started. Got the 2020 3500 AT4 HD. Kind of good truck so far. But yeah, see you guys on the job site. Go on the road. Alright guys, we're back out at the job where we're doing the driveway and the retaining wall. Just got to get things buttoned up out here. Gonna quickly do the driveway, set the last blocks for the retaining wall, and hopefully we can get out of here. The retaining wall is roughly around 5 feet tall. Installed it in about a little over 7, probably 8 hours. Good quick one too, for sure. It's all about the hustle. But yeah, we're gonna step out here and I'm gonna get grading this off and filling in all the potholes and prepping it, and we'll see what we can get done.